In this video, I will show you how to fix in Discord if you're getting the JavaScript error message. So to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you've completely closed down Discord. So you want to come out of the app, and you also want to come down to the system tray in the bottom right hand corner and make sure you quit Discord. So if you actually click onto this arrow, locate Discord, right click and then click onto quit Discord. And what you want to do is just check the task manager as well by holding down Control, Alt and Delete, or right click in, go into processes and making sure that Discord is not running in the background. So once you've done that and you've completely closed down Discord from the task manager as well, what you'll next want to do is come down to the search box in the bottom left hand corner, and you want to type the following, which is %appdata and then %. Next, what you want to do is click onto the %appdata folder that comes up. And then from here, you want to make sure you're in the roaming section. So if you look at the top, you've got this users and this sort of path here. You want to make sure it says app data, then roaming. Next, what you want to do is look for the Discord folder and just go ahead and delete that. Then what you want to do is come to app data by clicking on app data up here, double click onto local folder, and again delete the Discord folder from here. So once that's done and you've deleted those folders, what you're next going to want to do is re-download Discord. So just come across to discord.com, click on download for Windows, and then just reinstall Discord on your system, and this should resolve the JavaScript error. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate if you dropped a like on the video, and make sure you do subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks and tutorials for everything tech and digital related. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.